Eleni Shiamtanis here, welcome back, thank you for being here. Today I'm going to do a 3-puddle bloom on a neutral background, like a beige background, and let's see how we go. Let me show you my colours. Let's go mix them up. Let me show you my colours. I have Pearl Strawberry Red by Arttherapy, Fluorescent Light Apricot, Fluorescent Mild Yellow, Orange Yellow, Soft Pink, and Deco Art Gold. These are Magic Fly, and they're just so yummy, these colours. Consistency is medium, so leaves a trail and disappears quickly. Okay, let's get started. The underneath to tighten up the canvas, and also put my masking tape underneath to keep it clean. of detail here, and then it just softens up towards the edges with the white, and you've got all the colours showing through. I just absolutely love it, and can't wait to see what it looks like when it's dry. I love the organic looking feel about this one. And these are iridescent colours, and this one in the middle is pearl, the pearl strawberry red. So it should be quite spectacular. So hang on for the dry result. With the dry result, and it's really pretty. It's quite shimmery. I love all these parts here. Little lacing, and this soft area here. Very pretty. And just so shimmery. And you can see the iridescent colour changing there from blue to yellow to green. It's kind of minimal, but at the same time has quite a bit of details. Really nice. So let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.